I lost my concentration. Here we go. 999. Okay, $5 stadium craps. That's your best game right there. They have a $5 blackjack. That's your second best game. But, you know, I just don't understand why they don't have more. The Del Taco here is still in business, apparently. Well, is it? No, it's not. Well, what's going on here? I don't know. The one at Circus closed down. This one's still got their equipment, but they look like they haven't been operating for some time. Wow. Okay, well, I don't know if I can say that's in the food court or not. What's wrong with this? Jersey Mike's. Closed down tonight. Fat Burger is open. Pizza Hut is open. Pizza Hut is of good value, believe it or not. You get an individual pizza for around $10. $10.99 for That specialty is $11.49. It's a nice little pizza. $22.95 for an original fat burger. I'm sorry, I've just never had a good one. I gave it 3 chances. All 3 times it was overcooked. I think that's just how they cook them. Wonder Dog. I think that's new. It's already closed. This Popeyes is still open. Krispy Kreme. Popeyes is $8.99 for the chicken sandwich. 6 wings for $15.99. The one in Venetian is closed permanently. So just to see Popeyes open is a good thing. $13.99 for pickup sticks. 1 item combo. Cinnabon closed. Those places that are closed most likely will be open on Friday and Saturday and Sunday. You would think. Or either they're permanently closed, I don't know.